Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about extracting or exporting your Google Chrome passwords, and then you can have it and transfer it to another web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up Google Chrome if it's not already open. And then you want to select the three-dotted setting icon at the top right corner of the browser screen. So go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select settings, and now you want to go ahead and select passwords. So go ahead and just left click on that button, and now right where across where it says saved passwords, you want to go ahead and left click on this three dotted icon. So you see where it says save passwords, go across, don't select this one, you want to select this one right here where I'm circling. Left click on that and select export passwords. Your passwords will be visible to anyone who can see the exported file. Go ahead and select export passwords, and then just save it to a convenient location on your computer. It'll be saved as a CSV file by default. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select save. And then you just would import it into a different web browser at that point if you want to transfer the passwords, and that's about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.